In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use bill.com payment. This walkthrough will show you exactly how to log in, find an approved bill, and submit a payment using the options available in your bill.com account. As you follow along, keep your screen handy and pay attention to the buttons and fields that guide you through the process. First, log into your bill.com account. When you open bill.com, you will see a sign-in page where you enter your login information and access your dashboard. This step matters because your ability to view and pay bills depends on being properly signed in. Once you are logged in, give the page a moment to fully load so all the menus and bill details appear correctly. Next, navigate to the Payables or Bills section. In most accounts, this is where all incoming bills that you manage are grouped together. Look for a menu item labeled Payables or Bills and click it. This section is important because it is specifically designed to help you manage payments for bills that are ready to be processed. After you open the correct area, you should see a list of bills or payment-ready items. Now select the approved bill that you want to pay. From the list, find the bill that has already been approved, since only approved bills are typically available for payment. You may see statuses that help confirm approval, such as an approved label or a ready-to-pay state. Click on the bill to open its details. This step matters because the payment will use the exact amount and payee information associated with that approved bill. After you select the bill, click Pay or Review and Pay. Depending on how your account is set up, you might see a button that starts the payment right away, or you might be asked to review the information first. If the option is Review and Pay, choose it so you can confirm details before anything is processed. This extra review step helps prevent mistakes and ensures you are paying the correct invoice. Next, choose your payment method. Bill.com commonly offers options such as e-payment or ACH, credit card, or check, depending on what your organization supports. Select the method that you intend to use. Take a moment to consider what is fastest or most convenient for your situation, and make sure the method you choose matches what you plan to use for this particular bill. Your choice here affects how the payment will be delivered and recorded. Then, select the payment date and verify the amount. In the payment screen, you will typically find a field to choose the date you want the payment to be sent or processed. Choose the correct date based on your schedule. After you set the date, look at the amount carefully. Verify that the payment amount matches the approved bill amount. If anything looks different, pause here and check the bill details again before continuing. This verification step is one of the most important parts of the whole process. Finally, click Confirm and Pay to process the transaction. Once you confirm, bill.com will submit the payment based on the method, date, and amount you selected. Before you click, quickly scan the summary one more time to ensure everything is correct. When you click Confirm and Pay, the system processes the transaction and updates your payment status. And that covers everything you need to know. You can now confidently log in, find an approved bill, choose the right payment method, verify the date and amount, and confirm the payment in bill.com. And that is all there is to it.